Most kitchen faucets still work, but a loose handle, weak pressure, or outdated design can slowly ruin your daily routine. And the worst part? You don't realize it until you use it every single day. So today, I'll show you how to upgrade your kitchen the right way by installing the Moen Wetherly faucet step by step. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Shut water. Start under the sink. Turn off both hot and cold water valves. Then grab a crescent wrench and disconnect the water lines. Next, loosen the supply lines, remove the mounting nuts, detach the old faucet completely. Take your time here. This is the foundation of the whole install. Step 2. Clean surface. Before installing anything new, clean the sink area. Use water, a bristle pad like Scotch-Brite, and paper towel to dry. Avoid detergent, just clean off buildup and residue. A clean surface helps the new faucet seal properly and prevents leaks later. Step 3. Install faucet. Now, place the new faucet. Insert the faucet and lines through the base, align it properly on the sink, attach the washer and mounting ring underneath. Tighten the screws evenly. Don't over-tighten. Next, connect the sprayer hose until it clicks. Reconnect water supply lines. Optional, but recommended, add a thin bead of clear silicone around the base for extra protection. Final test. Turn the water back on. Check water flow, pressure, sprayer function, any leaks underneath. Everything should run smooth and steady. And just like that, your kitchen faucet is fully upgraded. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more simple kitchen upgrades.